If you're looking for a simple and powerful way to organize your projects in 2025, Trello's Kanban boards are tough to beat. Whether you're managing personal tasks or working with the team, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started and make Trello work for you fast. First, head over to Trello.com. If you're new, create an account. And if you already have one, just log in. Trello gives you plenty of sign-in options: Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or your email, so you can get in with whatever you're already using. Once you're in your dashboard, it's time to create your first board. Click the plus icon in the top right or use the Create button. Give your board a name that matches your project or goal, and feel free to personalize the background. A custom look not only makes it more inviting, it also sets a tone for your workflow. With your board ready, you'll create your workflow using lists. Think of these lists as stages of progress. A simple setup could be to do, in progress, and done. You can name them however you like based on your process, but the idea is to give every task a clear place to live. Now add cards. These are your actual tasks. Each card should represent one item or action. If you're working on something bigger, open the card and add a checklist to break it into smaller, manageable steps. To keep things visually clear, use labels. These are color-coded tags you can apply to cards to show priority, category, status, whatever makes sense for you. At a glance, you'll know what needs attention. If you're working with others, invite your team to the board. Just open the menu on the side and add members. Then, assign cards to the right people by opening the card, clicking Add, and selecting Members. Instantly, everyone knows who's responsible for what. As work moves forward, simply drag and drop cards from one list to the next. This is the magic of Kanban. You get a clear moving picture of your progress without digging through emails or spreadsheets. And that's all it takes to start using Trello Kanban boards like a pro. With lists, cards, labels, checklists, and assignments working together, you can stay organized without the chaos. If this helped you get started, stick around for more productivity tutorials and let me know what tool you want to master next. Happy organizing!